Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. This language arts session will be on prepositions. Prepositions are a major part of speech, meaning that they are a major class of words given in English. Prepositions are defined as words that show some sort of directional purpose. This means that when you see a preposition, it usually tells you the direction of a person, a place, or an animal. Some common prepositions are over, under, around, in, into, etc. As you can see, these are all words that can tell you the direction or the location of something or someone. Bear in mind that prepositions need to always be followed by a noun. This noun can be a single word or an entire noun phrase. This shows you that you are truly using prepositions in their correct format. Let me show you an example. My sister is in the kitchen. When you are talking about prepositions, you need to locate your verbs, subjects, and then object before you can locate your preposition. In this sentence, is your verb. Who is my sister? Therefore, my sister is your subject. In the kitchen. My sister is in, which is a directional word. And as we just learned, words that show some direction or position are prepositions. As I mentioned before, a preposition must be followed by a noun or a noun phrase. In this case, your noun phrase is the kitchen. We know kitchen is a noun because it is the name of a specific room in your house. We can prove that we have used the preposition here correctly, seeing that a noun follows it. This is the only way to check to see if you correctly use prepositions. For example, you cannot say, they are going in. In what? In where? Your sentence is left incomplete. Therefore, whenever identifying prepositions in your sentence, make sure that the noun coming after is either a single word, meaning a single noun, or a noun phrase. If not, your preposition has been used incorrectly. Just to recap, a preposition is a word that gives some kind of direction. For example, over, under, into, around, and there are many others. Use prepositions in your sentences and check to see if they have been used correctly by locating the noun or noun phrase after. This is how you will truly be able to practice and perfect using prepositions. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com.